In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access users and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Select Google Password Manager and then to edit any password, click on it. Enter your screen lock, tap on Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!